Welcome back. We are now in the editing section of Microsoft Clipchamp. There are several elements we can use the AI in order to add to our video. For example, if we go to the Record and Create area, you're going to see that we can add in text-to-speech. What we can do is we can then listen to a voice that we want to read our text.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
And then we can write in our text so that it will play during our video. You can then play the video with your text-to-speech.
Creating video tutorials is a great way to meet friends and generate income. Create positive moments for people that want to hear it.
So as you can see, we can play our video and we can add in text-to-speech to the video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.